Time is now 9:16. A spacecraft headed to another planet sounds like something out of a movie. Oh boy, but it isn't science fiction. The NASA Glenn Research Center is using nuclear power to send a spacecraft to Mars. In today's Mission Possible, Monica Robbins looks at the future of space travel.
Scientists floated the idea of nuclear-powered spaceflight even before astronauts landed on the moon. Now NASA is building it. Space Reactor 1, or SR-1 Freedom, humanity's first fission-powered spacecraft bound for Mars. Launch date planned for late 2028. The agency is drawing on decades of nuclear expertise at Glenn Research Center. Lindsay Kaldon is Deputy Project Manager for the SR-1 Freedom Power Module.
There is so much that can come from nuclear technology when you apply it to space applications.
On Earth, nuclear reactors generate heat, boil water to make steam to produce electricity. SR-1 skips a step. It converts heat directly into electricity without water.
We don't have the luxury of having water like that in space, especially on a spacecraft, because mass is everything when we're trying to get things up in space.
NASA didn't start from scratch. Engineers repurposed the power module from Gateway, the lunar space station no longer needed for the Artemis moon missions. Researchers are also using heat pipes, developed at Glenn for another experiment, to move heat from the reactor to the engines.
We're taking all of this, whether it was hardware or knowledge base, and putting this all together and making sure it's integrated well, and that's how we're going to be able to meet this 2028 launch.
The SR-1 Freedom mission will carry the Skyfall payload to Mars,
which will release these Ingenuity-class helicopters on the surface of Mars and scan it, survey for preparing to go to Mars someday.
The SR-1 power module will generate 20 kilowatts. That's enough to power 20 to 30 homes. Kaldon says the nuclear electric propulsion spacecraft is groundbreaking technology.
It is not technology that's still decades down the road. It is here today.
It's opening up a whole new era of space travel. Monica Robbins, 3 News.
Monica, thank you so much. NASA Glenn is also developing a fission service power for a future moon base as part of the Artemis missions.